Yeah, Sam, have a look over there.
That's the one we see, definitely.
Is it? Oh, he's gone under the boat.
Oh, fuck off.
But he's fucking right there. You'll see him in a sec.
There he is, right straight down.
Straight down, he's going to
Yeah.
go in a minute, I reckon.
Yeah, look, here we are, look.
Way.
Can you measure him or just fucking bang him back over here?
Hey, I'll just see what he looks like when you get him in.
Alright, I'll go to tape measures.
Yeah, he looks like a fair size.
It's a fair size.
It's a fair size. Wind him in.
Right, I'll try and lift.
And if there's one thing the Romans have taught me.
Alright, I don't want to use that, that's what I have to do. Slide that one up there. Put the deco's out the way,
Yeah,
they always
that's
fucking
now, do
bite it. They always bite that. Right, that's the tag.
Come along now, you shark. There you are.
Got all your shit ready?
Ready then, Laurie?
Yeah.
I don't reckon he's ready for him yet, you know.
He is, he just doesn't really know it.
Wicked.
Hooray!
He's off.
Come here.
Hey.
Yeah, go on, wind him in.
Go on, Sam.
Just hang on to it.
God, smell it.
Go on, Sam. Wandering mush.
Well, you've got another bit of line out, trying to wind back in, haven't you?
That's going to wind Sam over the side.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's a black one. Sorry, dip that up. Back the rod in there. Yeah, some fat bastard must have had this one barrel. Just hold on to that.
Yeah, I'm really
Strap her
sorry,
in.
sir.
You've got one line in.
You have to wrap that around you twice.
I'm just trying to keep holding it. I'm only 5 stone.
Yeah, we've got a bit lacking in them, don't we? So far. No, it's perhaps a start. Alright, go, Joe. What time are you doing?
Is that alright?
Yeah.
Alright.
What do I have to do? Just lift it up?
Bring it up and wind it in when you let it down.
Pump the rod up, then wind it down. Right.
Yeah, you're going to have to do that bit.
It's a good team effort.
Jesus Christ.
Come on, girl.
Oh, right. I'll lay him up there.
Yeah, let it run out, get a bit of line out. Don't wind a bit of line.
Jesus. I don't know what to do.
Yeah, really.
There you go.
Whoa. Yeah.
Pull her over in a minute.
Wind it in as you go down.
But they've got a ratchet strap to attach them to the boat with.
You're getting the hang of it, my girl.
You know what they say, don't you? No pain, no gain.
Yeah.
That's a fast one, anyway.
Oh, bend
Oh, fuck it up. We're not going to shrimp all the blokes yet.
Look at that.
Oh. No, you little fuck.
Proper fish. Bit harder than winding in the mackerel,
Oh, God, yeah.
Sam, you're going to ache tomorrow, mate.
isn't it? Look at the bend on that rock.
Oh.
Bendering boy.
Right, come again. That was my first go on. Shark fishing!
Seagulls fresh.
Fucking hell.
Yeah, same again.
Yeah, I need to get this on downstairs.
Alright.
Yeah.
Come on, girl.
Whoa.
Better than I thought it was, you know.
Hey?
It was a bit better fishing than I thought it was.
Was it the same one?
Well,
That looked quite small, that one.
what I saw that was up on the surface didn't look a very big fish. Is there any marks on any of the other boats? I didn't check.
Do you want to hand me over? The news will hand me over. Fucking hell.
You ain't gonna let a bloody fish beat you, for Christ's sake, are you? Oh.
Especially when it's 3 times my size. Ah!
Some of them mackerel are nearly as big as you though, Sam.
Ah!
For us to have a bait change as well, so
Alright.
we change baits as well. Right, see the fish under the boat now, so I'll come to this side of it. Yeah. Right, just watch the tip of the rod, alright? Watch you don't take a turn around the tip of the rod.
Right.
You're a bad shark, this one, you know? Perfect hook up
Yeah,
here.
little fucker.
Wicked.
Oh, you wicked, you piece of shit.
Here he comes. Come on, Judy. We'll make sure we get him into the picture. Right, just place the gaff nice and carefully, that. Keep the arrow clear. Right. So I'm just gonna say,
Come on, boys. Lean into it, boys.
I don't think that's the same one we've seen.
It ain't.
That
It
isn't the
isn't.
same one we saw.
No, it certainly isn't.
Right. I reckon
Way down there now, isn't it?
you have to get this one up.
Yeah.
Somebody pull the pegs for him a minute.
Yeah.
I see the shark down under here he is as well. Yeah, you have to,
God,
you have
I
to
can
try
see
and
him.
steer him around.
Cool. See him just there.
Yeah.
Right, there he goes. He's fucking woke up now. He's seen the boat. No, he's not a winger. Let me. No, he's all right. No, no once. Fucking up. Okay. Just keep the tension on him, Barry. All right.
Where are you, lad?
Come on, you big fucker.
Reel him in, boy.
Keep the pressure on him. Going round and round, you see the white of his belly starting to turn. So, yeah, we're going to keep the pressure on it because otherwise if he wraps up, touches the mono, we'll lose him. Right, just go steady. I don't know how much of the space. It might pay to back up on your clutch a bit. Right, that's the wire, that's alright. We're alright.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's wrapped up.
He's fucking well and truly caught, isn't he?
Yeah, alright. Alright, touch that trace a bit. Just, I'll see if I can unwind him first. Perfect fucking hook up with those circles, look. Right, it's trying to go backwards. Come on, baby. Way in the boat. Right. Roll that way. Roll that way.
On me. Oh, there's a big lot there.
Ah! Ah!